Factorize 4h squared minus 25. Solution. 4h squared minus 25. We can write 4 as what? 2 times 2, and that is 2 squared. So I can write this as 2 squared h squared minus, how do we write 25 as a square? 25 is 5 times 5, and that is 5 raised to the power of 2. So this 2 square h square, we can combine it. I can write it as 2h raised to the power of 2. The 2 here affect each expression, which will now give this 2 square, and these 2 will also affect h. So it's still the same thing. Minus 5 squared. Now, applying the difference of squares of 2 variables, we recall that what? Recall a plus b into a minus b is the same thing as what? A squared minus b squared. So we have it in this form. We have this like a, and this is like the b. So in this case, we can write it as what? 2h plus 5 into what? 2h minus 5. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.